Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day as usual. You guys, I come at you today with a very unplanned, unexpected Louis Vuitton unboxing. Gosh, you guys, I have been really bad over the past couple of months when it comes to shopping. I think I've gone a little overboard, but I really wasn't planning on buying anything else. However, this item came up very unexpectedly, and it was one of those items that was definitely on my wish list. And if you guys saw the recent video that I filmed, luxury items I can't stop thinking about, this item was included on that list. And I have to tell you, I have some of the best followers and subscribers in the world because you guys always look out for me, and it's because of you guys that I have this. So I want to thank two of my followers specifically. I want to thank Erica and I want to thank Alex. You guys actually sent me a message telling me that you saw this item, and it's because of you that I was able to get it. So I'm not going to spoil it yet. I'm sure you guys probably have an idea of what it is, but there was an item that I really wanted. I tried to contact my sales associate multiple times to see if he was able to get it, and it was just one of those items that it was like impossible to find. So it popped up by a luxury shopper. Her name is HP Lux. She was amazing to deal with, you guys. She was really great with communication. The trust was really there. She's a very reputable source, and she's basically a personal shopper. So she found this item. It was available. I did unfortunately pay a little bit of a premium. However, I was okay with that because I've been searching for this item for months, and it's something I really wanted. So again, before we get into this unboxing, I definitely want to thank HP Lux. Thank you so much for the item. I'm so incredibly excited about it, and you were a pleasure to deal with. And then Eric and Alex, thank you guys so much for looking out for me and, you know, letting me know this was available, because it was because of you guys letting me know I was able to get it. So without further ado, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure to hit that little subscribe button. And if you want to see what item I picked up that I have been wanting forever from Louis Vuitton, then keep watching. Okay, so what I'm going to do, we are going to do the unboxing. We are going to get up close and personal so you guys can do the unboxing with me. Now keep in mind, I have not seen this item yet. I wanted this to be a true unboxing. I have never held this item, so we're going to unbox it together. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay guys, here we go. So it was packaged in this beautiful box. Let's go ahead and get into it. And I like to keep the ribbon attached just, you know, in the event I do ever want to sell these bags. I like to have everything to go with it. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, and it comes in a dust bag like this. Okay, any guesses? Again, this is the first time I'm seeing it. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so the item that I picked up is the... Oh my goodness, look how cute. This is the cutest thing I've ever seen. This is the Louis Vuitton Nano Speedy. So like I said, if you guys saw my recent video of luxury items I can't stop thinking about, this was number one. I have wanted this for so long and I've tried to find it, and my sales associate Louis Vuitton has been amazing. He's really been trying for me, but it was thanks to HP Lux and thanks to my subscribers that I was able to get this. This is literally the cutest little thing. So let me just inspect it really quick. Again, this is the first time I'm like holding it or seeing it. So it is brand new. You can see the handles, the inside. If you guys are looking for the item, it is the Nano Speedy M61252. Okay. Oh my gosh. Here it is right here. So cute. So the one thing I was a little worried about with this bag is it does have Vachetta. So one thing I am going to do is I'm going to get Apple Guard to treat it. I want to say it was months ago. Shea Whitney was talking about that, and she said it really does a great job of protecting the Vachetta. And I do have other Louis Vuitton items that have Vachetta where it does have stains. So I really want to make sure I preserve this. But is this not the cutest thing? So let me show you. Here's the little guy. Let's see the side of it. the back of it. And then on the inside, this one in particular, it is Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France, as the brown lining. Super, super cute, you can see. But the thing I was most excited about with this bag is that it's so tiny, but from what I can see, it fits a ton. So I am going to show you what fits, and I'm also going to do some mod shots for you. But let me just take a moment really quick because I cannot get over how adorable this is. Now, keep in mind, it does not have an adjustable strap. That is one thing that I do like in bags. I like it to have an adjustable strap, but I will make an exception for this one. You cannot remove the straps on it. Here is the little handle. Here's the zipper. Oh my gosh, I am just so excited. Again, it kind of stinks that I had to pay a premium for it. I've actually never paid a premium for a bag before, but this is something that I really, really wanted, and it is so hard to get. And on Fashion File, this bag was going for like $2,000, so I definitely got it for a lot cheaper than that. And this is a brand new item. So thanks again to HP Luxe. I really appreciate it. I absolutely love it. It's so stunning. Okay, so what I want to do really quick, let's go ahead and let's see what can fit in this bag. I have some of the items that I usually carry and I want to see if they fit. So let's open it up, and oh my gosh, it's so tiny, but look at this. Oh, so cute. All right, so first I have my iPhone. This is the iPhone XR. Let's see if you can fit it. You can, but you just have to kind of maneuver it a little bit. Then you guys know how much I love this. It's always in my favorites. This is my Rosalie coin. I can put that in there. Then I have my Louis Vuitton key pouch. Then I have, this is my Louis Vuitton round coin purse, and I can fit that in. Oh my gosh, and there's still room. And then here is some hand sanitizer that I can just plop right in there. Look at that, you guys. Hold on, I want to get some more lipsticks so I can see how much more can fit. Okay, I grabbed a couple more lipsticks. I have this pretty YSL lipstick. I'm going to pop on the top. I have a little Dior balm. I have a little YSL lipstick. And then I have a Gucci lipstick. And again, everything I show here, I will be sure to link below. Look at this. I cannot believe it. I cannot believe that all of that fits. Now, of course, this is overstuffed. I don't know if I'm going to be carrying that much lipstick, but oh my gosh, you guys, this has actually exceeded my expectation. I am so excited to have this in my collection. I can't even tell you. So now let's go ahead and do some mod shots. But first, before I do it, let me just show you again. I have to show you again, like, what fits. Excuse my excitement. I can't help myself. So again, this coin, round coin fit. You have a lipstick, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 lipsticks fit. The coin purse, you have the key pouch, you have the Rosalie, I have my iPhone XR, and then I have the sanitizer. I cannot believe that all of this fits. It is just blowing my mind. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so now let's go ahead and let's do the mod shots. Okay guys, I am about 5'3" and you can see where it hits me. It is so cute. I can't get over it. Again, I do kind of wish it had an adjustable strap so I could make it a little longer if I wanted, but oh my gosh, this is just perfect. I'm so excited, you guys. So excited. So that's if you wear it crossbody. Again, I'm 5'3". And let me just show you a few more like up close of this little beauty right here. And then let me open it. Okay guys, there you have it. This is the newest member of my little Louis Vuitton family. I'm telling you, it has exceeded expectations, and to me so far, initial first impressions, it was definitely worth paying that premium. So HP Luxe, thank you again. I love it so much. It's so beautiful. I can't wait to wear it. And thanks again to Alex and Erica. Again, I have some of the best subscribers and followers. I appreciate you guys so much. I really do. This is such a cute little bag. So of course, after I've had it for a while, I will do a review. I love to do those on my channel, and then I will also do a comparison if there's anything you want to know, but I have to tell you my initial first impressions. I am blown away, like blown away by how tiny it is, but yet it fits so much. I'm able to fit all of my necessities, but this is going to be a great like grab and go bag. So everything that I showed that fit, as well as this bag, I will try to find it. I know this bag is hard to find, but they do have it on Fashion File, so I will try to find that and link it down below. In addition, I will also link all the items I put inside the bag as well. I love it so much. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure to hit that little subscribe button. And I'd love to have you follow me on Instagram as well. I do a lot of outfit pics and flat lays, you name it. And I'd love to have you follow me on there as well. Have a wonderful day, you guys. Thanks again for taking the time to watch, and I will see you in my next video.
Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch.